Hi everyone, I am Akash Umakant Biradar. In the learning process, today we are going to learn about Java. In Java, we are going to learn about the features of Java. The main motto behind creating Java language was it has to become simple, secure, and run everywhere. Apart from that, there are many excellent features of Java. The features of Java are also called as Java buzzwords. Now we go through the detailed description of features of Java. Firstly, I will tell you it collectively and then we will go through the details. Secure, simple, object oriented, high performance, robust, multi-threaded, etc. are the features of Java. Now we go through the details. Simple. Java is very easy to learn because the syntax of Java is based on the language C++, and the C++ is very easy to learn, and the syntax of Java is also very clean and easy to learn. There is automatic garbage collection system in Java, and also there are less pointers, so it becomes simple. Independent. In the platform independent features of Java, it means write once, run everywhere. It means Java code compiled by compiler in bytecode, and it will execute everywhere or in any platform. Java compiled the code in bytecode format, and this bytecode goes through the various platform. It means for Mac OS there is separate JVM OS. JVM means Java Virtual Machine. It runs the or execute the program. Now, security. Java is best known as for its security because of less pointer and less overloading, or lack of pointer, lack of overloading. Java is most secure program. We can use Java as a virus-free program. So, in any virus cannot be attacked in Java program. And Java is also known for its high performance. Because of this bytecode compiled by compiler, Java is very high performance. Now, robust. In English language, the meaning of robust is strong. It means Java is very strong because of its strong memory, and lack of pointers and overloading and automatic garbage collections. If we write any character or any sentence in the program, it can be automatically collected in the automatic garbage and execute the program without any harm. Thank you.